What's up guys, Faisal here. So the iPhone 15 Pro is coming with more changes than we expected. We have also got another reveal of the whole iPhone 15 series. So first story of the day before we jump into the iPhone 15 reveal. We have good news on the upcoming iPhone 16 for those of you that are holding out for a bigger display. Now we previously had news of increased display size to 6.3 and 6.9 inches. We have now got news of a tailored aspect ratio as well. Reliable analyst Rose Young says that we are going to see a 19.6 by 9 aspect ratio on the 16 Pro models, and that this is also going to be on the standard 17 models in the following year. And for some bonus news, he advises that the 17 Pro is going to be the first to feature under-display Face ID technology. Now, although this information is incredibly early when it comes to displaying information, Rosian is always very accurate. We also have news of a new pattern for Apple's tapping engine that controls the haptic feedback. Now the current tapping engine perform well, but they are at risk of damage when the phone is dropped. And Apple has acknowledged this, and a new pattern has been discovered where they have added a non-liner spring, and this acts as a protective barrier to protect it from falls. Now while it's not an exciting upgrade, it's good to see that Apple is focusing on the smaller stuff, and it goes to show that Apple is working on the reliability and durability of the iPhones. Next up, we have got the news that the camera layout is changing on the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and the lenses are being swapped in order to accommodate the new periscope lens that we have all been waiting for. The camera layout itself is going to be the same, but according to Leica unknown Z21, the ultra-wide in the telephoto camera is swapping position within the camera module, and this is so that there is more internal space for this new periscope camera. Now we have also got another update from TechRev on Twitter, and he says that the iPhone 15 Pro Max is going to be sticking with the same 48 megapixel primary camera that we had on the 14 Pro Max. Next up, we have got great news on the charging of the iPhone 15 series, which is reported to fully support the G2 standard wireless charging, while current iPhones to support G2 if they are not certified for iPhone. It means it does not get the full charging speed. Now the full support of G2 is going to mean that chargers won't need Apple certification, and that all G2 chargers are going to provide a 15-watt wireless charging speed for iPhone. This is great news if you are out and about and need to borrow someone else's charger. Now next up, we have got another reveal of the whole iPhone 15 series thanks to Mac rumors on the YouTube again. These are dummy units for the whole range, but they are accurate models based on CAD data provided by case manufacturers. Now the dummy models again confirm a USB-C port on all versions of iPhone 15, and this is great news for Apple fans. They also show more rounded corner on the iPhone 15 Pro models while they still retain the first edge design. It should be a lot more comfortable to hold in your hand. Another change is going to be the titanium frame, which is not only going to add more strength and durability to the iPhone 15 Pro models, but it's also going to change the look and feel as well. One of the biggest changes is of course the new action button instead of a mute switch, and as I previously advised that this new button is going to be for more than just muting. We are going to have options like double tap, triple tap and hold, and this will of course mean a lot more quick access shortcut for the iPhone 15 Pro models. Now the final difference is going to be the dynamic island on all four models of the iPhone 15. So on the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus will have a dynamic island. So overall it's not a huge change to the previous models, but let's not forget we are getting the A17 Bionic chip along with an upgrade to 8GB of RAM into the Pro models, and the periscope camera is also going to allow for much better photo and video options. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Technology in the Future. Until the next video, take care of yourself. Peace out.